All right, 9 spiral. Let's cook. All right, man. So, check, man. I ran across this video, right? And this is Las Vegas. All right, and I think this was yesterday or something like that, 2 days ago. All right, and so we're digging on this lightning storm. Very severe lightning storm. It says, to be exact, a terrible thunderstorm, okay? Looks like cannonballs. Wow. That's a big statement, huh? But notice it says a terrible. All right? Keep that in mind. All right? Psalms 47, verse 2. And this is only for Israel, right? I'm talking to Israel, but all nations, right, should take heed, all right? You have to hearken, Israel. And it says, for the Most High is what? Terrible. And he is a great king over all the earth, huh? Let's go. All right, so let's dig on it. 1 second. Let's rock. Whoa. Okay. All right. I know you saw it. Yeah, we just want to check out this storm, but I know you saw it, though. We're going to go back and dig on it. All right, Most High. All right, we about to pop off. All right, so I know you saw it, right? And we've been saying this long time, right? All right, so who's slanging lightning? All right, in the ladder of Jacob, the Apocrypha, who's slanging lightning, huh? All right, let's go get it, huh? It's only one way to do it. Let's go get that then. All right. We're just talking the Apocrypha, the ladder of Jacob, right? We're just talking about Jacob. This is dealing with Jacob, right? Jacob's situation. I need for you to understand, Israel, for this king is the head of all revenge and retaliation, huh? Against those who have done evil to you, Israel, huh? And the end of the age, where we at, y'all? For bitter ones will rise, they will cry out, and the Most High will hear them, Shalaki, and accept their plea. And the Mighty One will repent because of their sufferings, huh? For the angels and archangels will hurl bolts of lightning before them, your enemies, for the sake of your salvation. Israel, huh? And so all we're asking is, who's doing it? We're just talking to Dragon, y'all. Slanging lightning. I like to call it slanging, because it look like they slanging it. Now watch them ride off into the sunset. All right. But don't get it twisted, right? Because the hijack is never late. All right? Word to come drop and Drop Nation, huh? I say, Kuramio, the hijack is never late. Yourself. Ma, Five Eyes, the hijack is never late. All right, come on, hijack. Let's see what you got to say. Give me 1 second. All right, let's rock. Come on, man.
Is ball lightning,
all right,
a glowing grapefruit-sized ball of gas that lasts up to 20 seconds. But scientists aren't quite sure what causes it. One theory suggests that ball lightning is caused by ions made by a lightning strike near glass, like a window. The ions could...
What? Woo! But that one of them, boy, you gotta hit that woo. Come on with it, hijack.
Pile up on one side of the glass and create an electric field, exciting air molecules on the other side, which would release photons and create a glow. Another theory suggests that elements in soil are to blame. In 2012, scientists in China recorded the first video of ball lightning. They monitored the light it emitted and found that it contained silicon, iron, and calcium, which are all elements found in soil. So,
hey, I don't believe you. We don't believe you. We don't believe you. It's rock.
a cloud-to-ground lightning strike might vaporize the soil's silicate compounds, which react with the surrounding atmosphere to produce a ball of light. So, the next time you're watching a thunderstorm from the warm, dry safety of your home, remember that all this lightning has a lot of physics behind it.
All right.
Dangerous physics. Thanks for watching.
Right. Now, the only truth he gave us was that it is dangerous. All right? But you cannot explain the Most High's work, his works by physics, huh?
Australian astrophysicist Stephen Hughes has claimed that many UFO sightings can be attributed to ball lightning. Dr. Hughes told the BBC, if you put together inexplicable atmospheric phenomena, maybe of an electrical nature, with human psychology and the desire to see something, that could explain a lot of these UFO sightings.
All right, you see that? You see that? Then they give you the one eye symbol. Now I'm just playing. But you see, they want to explain away the Most High's work. All right? And we're just not buying it, man. The Most High said, I have not spoken in secret since the beginning of time. My works are available for all who want to witness the wonders of the many works of the power of Israel. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's get it. Did not this ball of fire start moving away? Huh? No. Go back. All right. Slinging lightning. All right. On to the next job. You see what's going on? Huh? All right. Because you're not going to fool everybody. All right. Daniel 12 specifically explains this, right? See, there are some of those, all right, who have awoken, all right, and we here to wake up the other people. All right, now you see this ball of fire moving intelligently, almost like it's flapping, huh? We keep trying to tell y'all what's going on. You feel me? You feel me? All right? Because we're connecting dots. We're just talking Meteor, right? You see that? But let's skip on down. All right? Let's play patty cake with online etymology, right? You see that? Uh-oh. All right? They can't stop the 9, huh? You see that? Fireball in the damn sky. Oh. Shooting star like Tecumseh, huh? All right. We at La Palma. Now pay attention. He's coming in right there. Right? Now let's go back. All right. He's going to come in right here. All right. And he's going to be in the form of a dragon. All right. Then he's going to get here. All right. And that's when the prester gets turned on. All right. Let's rock. Pay attention to the left, to the left. There you go, right there. He's coming in from the left. Damn, did I say the right? My bad. Huh? Huh? Let's get that again. All right. He's right here. He's right there. Let's go. There he is. There he is. Prester. You see that? And so when we're talking fireballs, right? We're just talking dragon. Or the Melakim. You see, you've been lied to. Oh, you've been duped. And I'm afraid they've lied about everything. Yep. Let's rock.
It was the year 1638 when a ferocious thunderstorm hit Whitcomb in the Moor.
Oh, okay. Ferocious thunderstorm hit Dartford, England. Okay. Shout out to Drakhans canoe. All right. Cross the waters. A ferocious thunderstorm. They're right. Rock.
300 worshippers sat inside the local church of St. Pancras when an 8-foot-tall ball of fire entered and soared through the church. 4 people were killed, 60 were injured, and windows and walls were smashed. A sulfurous smell was left, leaving the worshippers to believe that Satan himself had terrorized their church.
No. Maybe the Most High sent an angel of destruction. All right, my bad.
There have been many other accounts of ball lightning throughout the ages, with sightings of floating balls of light dating back to ancient Greece. Another notorious incident occurred in 1726 when a sailor named John Howell was on board a sloop in the Gulf of Florida and wrote to British newspapers explaining that a large ball of fire fell from the element and split our mast in 10,000 pieces.
Well, the question would be, what the hell was you transporting? Hey, 9 Spiral, Shabbat Shalom to the home team. Hey, look here. Let's dig back on that church incident. I got a kick out of that one. All right? Because they're going to always try to equate the dragon to something evil. Oh, just because it fucked them up, it's evil, huh? All right? Be that as it may, right? In Torah, all right? In Torah and Tanakh, all right? Minus the New Testament, all right? You have to understand the Most High controls both sides. You see? Wow. I just hate that, man. I want to blame everything. Oh, it's evil. No, just because it fucked you up. No, it's good, nigga, for us. Let's go.
It was the year 1638 when a ferocious thunderstorm hit Whitcomb in the Moor in Dartmoor, England. 300 worshippers sat inside the local church of St. Pancras when an 8-foot-tall ball of fire entered and soared through the church.
Okay. All right, y'all. We're just talking a damn 8-foot tall a ball of fire. Okay. Stay with me, man. The 9 is cooking. All right, let's rock.
4 people were killed, 60 were injured, and windows and...
Woo! 4 people killed, Some more engine, windows blown out. Okay, hell of a ball of a fire.
Walls were smashed.
Uh-huh.
A sulfurous smell was left,
Got
leading
it.
the worshippers to believe that Satan himself had terror.
You see that? This is what the hijack do, right? And so this is why I figure, man, you know what? We'll kind of pick on them, all right? Since they like to lie so much, let's pick on them, all right? And so they're going to attribute the Most High's work to Satan. No, the Most High kills and he makes alive. Let's go.
Terrorized their church. What had actually happened was one of the famous instances of ball lightning.
No. What actually happened was, what actually happened was a damn fireball for real. Better known as a damn dragon. You see, I'm tired of playing with y'all, man. They hate the 9. Because I'm going to bring it to them. I'm going to go and give it to you. I don't ask for nothing. No cash out, nothing. I'm going to go and give it to you. All right? Because the Most High set me down and said, I need you to expose the hijack for me. Can you please do that for me? Now, in my mind, I'm thinking what actually happened at that church was a damn fireball for real. And we're just talking the dragon. Huh? Just floating by. Yeah, see, we tired of playing with them. And we're trying to tell y'all what's going on. All right? Do you see what's going on? This is a damn angel, man. Right in front of your face. Keeping in mind, the dragon is a thing of fire. Didn't the Most High say he's coming with fire and his chariots of whirlwind to render his vengeance, huh? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna cook a little longer on this, man. I'm gonna add some more ingredients to that right there, okay? We digging on that ball of fire, man. That was serious, all right? Now, in my mind, when I see something like that, I instantly gravitate towards Isaiah 66, verse 14 through 16. All right, let's get it. And we're just dealing with the what? The reign and indignation of Hoa. And it says, when you see this, who? You, Israel, wake up. Jacob's trouble is not for you. And when you see this, your heart shall rejoice, huh? And your bones shall flourish like grass. The hand of the Most High shall be known to his servants, you, Israel, and his indignation to his what? Enemies, huh? For behold, the Most High will come with what? Fire. And with his chariots, right? Like a whirlwind. To do what? Render his anger and fury. Just like he did in that church. In 16 something, right? You see that? You see, all we do is connect the dots over here, Drop Nation. To render his anger with fury and his rebuke with flames of fire. Didn't we just see that? For by what fire and by his sword the Most High will judge all flesh, and the slain of the Most High shall be many. All right, we're just talking fireball in the sky, flames of fire, huh? All right. We need to know that the Most High is not playing, all right? This is not a game, all right? The slain shall be many. All right, we're popping off in Colorado. Let's rock.
Lyons, Colorado,
Okay.
June 2001. Is it a firefly? Is it a plane?
Nope.
Is it a UFO?
Dragon.
There were two really bright lightning bolts.
Whoa, huh?
Right in the middle. For
Slinging
about
lightning.
10 seconds, there was this glowing ball of light.
That's what they do. I told you.
We've never seen anything like that.
It seems to be a rare and mysterious phenomenon called ball lightning.
Bullshit.
Nobody knows what ball lightning is.
Okay, that's all I needed to hear from you, Hijack. Bye-bye. All right. And now this is Las Vegas 2021. And so we're digging on this connection with the ladder of Jacob, right? The Apocrypha. All right? We're talking angels ascending and descending. This is what we see. Look at it. So sometimes you got to trust your eyes, right? Trust your eyes. All right? Because we're just talking fireballs. All right? Doing what? Controlling the weather. Wind, rain, snow, hail, rainbows, lightning. We're just talking shooting stars, right? Or meteors, right? Which are, according to the 1828 Noah Webster Dictionary, dragons, huh? All right, I need you to look with your eyes, right? Rock with me. There go the dragon. All right. He turns off the prester. Now watch what happens. Huh? We're just talking slinging lightning, baby. All right, here we are. Now watch for the lightning and watch what comes next. All right. There go one. There go two. To the left. Top left. Oh, and he makes a right angle turn. Now, let's get that again. All right. Let's rock. Hell, it looked like a big dragon came out, then a little dragon. All right. You do have different orders. All right. Watch that. Right angle turn. Huh? Oh, but it's just ball lightning, huh? Of course, to the hijack. And that's why the Most High sent me to expose you. All right? I see clearly. Oh, they hate the nine. All right? I see clearly, just like a what? Oh, I see clearly. Like a dragon, huh? You see that? We're just talking strong aristem of Durkestai to see clearly. Dragon, huh? Hold up. I'm not done with you. Because we're talking, I have seen. Seen what? The light, huh? Now, who got the glow? All right, I have seen the light. Okay, and we're just talking Second Baruch 51, being made equal to the Melakim, or the stars. All right, I see. See what? The glory of the Most High. All right, 9 spiral. Hey, look, man, I got a scenario for you, right? All right, so say this actual baseball game right here, right? Major League, right? Let's just say one of the owners, right, is caught up in one of those, pedophile rings or some shit like that. All right? And say the Most High wants to send a message, right? He just want to send a message, right? He don't want to kill him just yet. Just want to send a message, all right? Let's rock. Uh-oh. Let's go back. All right. I had to fix the sound on that bad boy, all right? We want the sound. Now let's rock. All right. Let's go back. All right, you see it. Right there. Let's go. Let's go back. Let me set this thing up. All right, now pay attention as lightning strikes, all right? And the dragon comes out and floats up. All right, and we're going to watch the whole thing through, right? And let's see what this dragon does. Mm-hmm. All right. And damn it, it probably was Shabbat. This probably was on a Saturday. Oh, Saturday game, huh? And the Most High is angry with one of the owners of the baseball team. He's caught up in that pedophile shit. You know, all the stars are caught up with, and he wants to send a message. Game over. Let's get that again. All right, we're going to get that in slow motion. And so you see what's going on? Most High ended the game. Now, y'all ain't going to do me like that on Shabbat. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see, this is why we slow the footage down. Let's see that again. I think I seen some, y'all. There he is. There he is right there. There he is right there. There you go. He did it. Surely he did it. Surely he did it. All right. So I'm just looking with my eyes. I'm using common sense, right? And we're going to get this real time. Y'all let me know. I could be wrong. But it looked like he the culprit. Shit, let's go. Uh-oh. Yeah, he did it. He did it. Nah, see, y'all ain't understanding what I'm saying. Y'all ain't feeling me. This is a damn crime scene right here. This is a crime scene, right? Now, who the culprit? Let's get it. Oh, yeah, that game over. That game over right there. Oh, yeah, that game over. All right, and so when we're talking Meteor, all right, we're talking dragons, angels, shooting stars, fireballs, comets, comets, you name it. Controlling the elements, huh? Wind, rain, snow, hail, rainbows, and lightning, huh? All right, so there you go. We just broke down the hijack. They say fireball or ball lightning, Shalaki. They say ball lightning. We say dragons. All right? All right. Shabbat Shalom to the home team. All praises to your mother and father above. Wow.